Welcome to this video on military-grade durability. We'll explore the evolution of rugged engineering and how smartphones are built to survive the world's most extreme environments. Module 01 focuses on the standards, defining the certifications that separate rugged devices from fragile flagships. MIL-STD-810H is the gold standard. Developed by the U.S. Department of Defense, it simulates a device's environmental life cycle through 29 specialized tests, including pressure, temperature, and shock. Key among these is the 26-point drop test. Devices must survive 26 drops from 4 to 5 feet onto hard surfaces with no structural or functional impairment. Rugged devices must withstand environmental extremes. This includes thermal shock from -40 degrees Celsius to +70 degrees Celsius, low pressure for high-altitude operations, and sand and dust resistance. Water and ingress protection go beyond simple waterproofing. Standards include IP68 submersion, IP69K survival against high pressure, high-temperature water jets, and salt fog resistance for marine environments. The armor of these devices relies on advanced materials. This includes Grade 5 titanium for strength, glass Victus 2 for drop protection, and TPU bumpers to absorb kinetic energy. The rugged market is expanding rapidly. The CAGR is projected at 7.5%, driven by demand in construction, logistics, and public safety sectors. Testing by the numbers showcases the extremes: a 1.8-meter maximum drop height, an operational threshold of -40 degrees Celsius, and 600 tumble test cycles. The rugged leaderboard features devices like the Samsung XCover 7 and Cat S62 Pro, highlighting their MIL-STD-810H compliance and key tactical features like thermal imaging. Military-grade engineering ensures these devices are ready for the field. It is about reliability in situations where failure is not an option. This concludes our video on rugged smartphone engineering. Thank you for watching.